Autodesk Inventor is a type of computer-aided design program, and many of you that will be using Autodesk Inventor are probably most likely familiar with AutoCAD. Inventor was designed mainly as a 3D type of design program, whereas AutoCAD initially was primarily a two-dimensional program, which later evolved to have many 3D features. You'll find some similarities, but in reality Autodesk Inventor is pretty much a totally different program, although you'll see some similarities in the way some of the commands work. One thing Inventor and AutoCAD do have in common is the use of templates. However, when you look at the template files available in Inventor, you'll notice there are different types of templates. In AutoCAD, they're mainly templates that have to do with drawings, but in Inventor, these templates have to do with other features that the program has to offer. First of all, there are part templates, and normally we start by drawing parts, 3D parts in particular, and parts are identified with a IPT extension. So in the default tab in the template dialog box, you see there's two types of part templates. There's a standard template and a sheet metal template. There's also drawing templates that once you have a part created in 3D, you can then have Inventor develop 2D drawings for you pretty much automatically, and the templates for those are either an IDW, which is an Inventor drawing template, or most recently Autodesk introduced using DWG or AutoCAD type drawing templates. Also, Inventor has the capability to put 3D parts together in a different type of template, and these are called assembly templates, and they are identified using the IAM extension. In this case, there's the standard assembly template and a weldment assembly template, and then finally there's a presentation template, and in this example they're shown using the IPN extension, and in this one there's just the standard presentation template. If you look at the other tabs, there's different variations on those same type of templates. There's the English tab, which are templates that utilize feet and inches for the most part. Then there's metric templates that utilize millimeters and centimeters, metric type of dimensions. And then there's the mode design, which we'll get into quite a bit later. One feature that Inventor does have that's not prevalent in AutoCAD is the ability to organize your designs by projects, and it's very important to use the projects feature to keep your different files organized, and especially when you go to create assemblies of different parts, having your project set up where Inventor can always find the needed parts in the correct place. So before we even start new to find a template, let's click on the projects icon. And I have some issues here, but I'm going to say OK. And what I want to do is set up a new project using my Network P folder. So I'm going to create a new project in the Projects dialog box. And for this, I'm going to choose the single user project, new single user project. Hit next, and I'm going to give this a project name, and for this one I'm just going to call it tutorials. But I want this to be in my Network P drive, as will you if you're doing this at school. So I'm going to click on the project folder browse icon, and I'm going to browse until I find my Network P drive, and there I'm going to create a folder called tutorials. Then I could actually import some libraries if I had any. For now, we're not going to worry about this, so we'll just click finish at this point. It may say the folder I specified doesn't exist. Should it be created? Yes, it should, so I'll hit OK. Then I want to make this project my current project, where all the files I create while this is my current project will go into this particular folder. So I want to double click there till I see the check mark to the left of where it says tutorials. And then I can click on done. I got her done.